Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and welcome to the fourth video of this entire series. If you're watching this series from the beginning, we have discussed what is Azure AD Connect, what are the features of Azure AD Connect tool. We have discussed Azure AD Connect architecture, what is Sync Engine. We discussed the components of Sync Engine and what are the prerequisites that need to be met before we install Azure AD Connect tool. In this particular video, I will be discussing what are the service accounts that are used by Azure AD Connect tool. Azure AD Connect tool uses three accounts in order to synchronize information from on-premise Active Directory to Azure Active Directory. The first account is ADDS connector account or Active Directory Domain Services connector account. When we install Azure AD Connect with Express installation settings, it creates an account in Active Directory that is used for synchronization. This account has a prefix MSOL underscore and then there will be a random number. This account is created in user's container and this account has a long complex password that doesn't expire. If we use custom installation settings, then we have an option to create a custom ADDS connector account. The next service account that Azure AD Connect creates is ADsync service account. ADsync service account is categorized in three accounts: virtual service account, group managed service account, and user account. Virtual service account does not has a password and is managed by Windows. Virtual service account is used in those scenarios where Azure AD Connect and SQL Server are deployed on the same server. If SQL Server is installed on a remote server, then Microsoft recommends to use a group managed service account. This account can be created when we install Azure AD Connect with custom settings. To create this account, we select Use an existing service account, and then we select Managed Service Account option. User account is a local service account that is created by Azure AD Connect installation wizard. This account has a prefix AAD underscore and is used by the sync service to run the sync process. This user account has a long complex password and is set to never expire. The third type of account that is used by Azure AD Connect is Azure AD Connector account. This account is used by Azure AD Connect to write information from Active Directory to Azure Active Directory. This account contains the name of the server on which Azure AD Connect tool is installed. The account is created with a long, complex password that doesn't expire. This account is granted directory synchronization accounts role that has only permissions to perform directory synchronization tasks. In the next video, I will be demonstrating you how we can install Azure AD Connect tool with Express installation and with custom settings. So if you have learned something new from this particular video, please write in comments and please subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions related to the topics that I'm posting, feel free to write in comments. I will be more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you guys. Thank you for your time. Take care.